Good morning, FinMonkeys listeners. I'm Noah Mercer, and you're tuned into the FinMonkeys Morning Brief. We've got a busy day ahead, earnings are lining up, and the markets are humming with a mix of optimism and caution. Let's dive in. First up, Goldman Sachs is projecting a sharp rise in corporate profits for Q2, which could give equities a nice boost. That matters because stronger earnings usually lift market sentiment across the board. Next, First Financial Bank shares reported a solid fourth-quarter beat, highlighting divergent trends among regional banks, a key clue on credit health in smaller markets. Finally, Aflac's latest numbers are setting the pace for the life insurance sector, and that matters for dividend-focused. Goldman's upbeat outlook is feeding optimism into the equity markets, but the regional banking story adds a layer of nuance. First Financial's results suggest that while some community banks are thriving, others are still feeling the pressure from tighter lending standards. That mix of confidence and caution is what's shaping today's trading range. Investors are weighing profit potential against the health of the credit pipeline. On the earnings front, Aflac's performance is a benchmark for the life insurance space, and it's holding up better than many peers. Meanwhile, the spotlight is also on a handful of high-profile names, Nike, Micron, and Nvidia, that could drive market direction in the coming days. Those companies sit at the crossroads of consumer demand, memory chip supply, and AI growth, making them the stocks to watch for any swing in equity momentum. Geopolitical tension is nudging the Fed toward a tighter stance, and that's pulling gold lower as real interest rate expectations rise. At the same time, the euro's softness against the pound reflects uncertainty ahead of the ECB's next policy meeting. Those currency moves ripple through trade and investment flows, reminding us that macro dynamics are still very much in play and will keep influencing market sentiment tomorrow. That's the FinMonkeys Morning Brief for today. The next thing to watch is Aflac report, Nvidia earnings, and the Fed's policy decision. Thanks for listening to FinMonkeys. We'll be back tomorrow with the next market setup.